Yeah, hello guys, good evening from South Sudan, East Africa. And today I am actually in the Pojulu Cultural Festival ground, guys, and the preparation is going on right there, as you guys can see, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how the preparations are going on. You can see everyone is just busy, man. So let's have a quick tour of just how the preparation is actually taking place, guys. I know that it's actually gonna be a very a very hot day, like for everyone in South Sudan. Even if you're not a Pojulu, you can just come and then enjoy the day, man. Don't miss it out. You can see the setup right over there, and we have the huge screen right over here, guys. You see this one right over here, and gonna see, and it's still a lot of preparation. Oh,
what's up, guys?
What's
up, guys? Yeah, you already know
over here,
man. Yeah. I'm so much happy, you know, whenever I see like people are busy creating content. Guys, welcome. This is Mr. BMG. Peter Ray is over here.
Yeah, man,
I'm so
guys.
much happy, man.
Yeah,
nice.
how is it?
I love the consistency, man.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, good, bro.
Yeah, guys, this is Mr. BMG.
What's up?
Yeah, so guys, that one is actually Mr. BMG. He just arrived and just to check on the place and see how very organized the place is actually is, guys. So you miss the day, you miss at your own risk, you know. So we're gonna be checking it up over here to just check how it is. Salam down. How's it? Good. Fine. Tamam. How's the day? How about that?
Tagamulo live deh.
YouTube.
Amaman maaf ya, Ria Wara.
Hah?
Ada bulan.
Oh. Yeah, how is it?
I'm so tired. I'm looking for water, but no water.
I can see you've been working since morning, really.
So I'm waiting for those to provide water, soda, whatever.
Guys, so if you have like the access to bring water, my brother over here.
Light engineer, assistant engineering.
Hey, what's your name?
Hey, Leviticus.
Leviticus.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are getting ready for tomorrow.
So who will be provide?
Huh?
Who will be provide?
Providing
The water and whatever.
Yeah, I'm just telling the viewers if anyone can provide, we'll just
Okay, send in my account. 092333382.
Guys, you have just heard what wow. And my big guy is right over here. Oh, okay. Yeah, man, it's actually going to be a very great day, and see the environment, man. Wow, seeing the other side. And basically this event is taking place in Rock City, you know. Rock City just close to the hill right over here. And also, guys, if you come here, you don't need to like think of like water, because we have even market just close right over here. See how very organized the place is actually is. You see? Wow, man. Let's have a quick tour to the other side, and then I show you how it actually is. So this place is actually gonna be amazing. Like this culture is actually like a unity, trying to bring people together and to celebrate the culture right over here in Juba, South Sudan, man. Wow, look at that. See the amazing setup right over here, man. Bonjour. Kef. So guys, are you ready?
Yes.
What's your name? Awan. Oh. Wow. You see, guys, and then it's still the preparation is actually ongoing. You see? Wow, look at that, man. Wow. And then we have this curtains. They're just designing the curtains right over here in this other side. So guys, I'm just enjoying the sun right over here, and the sun is just going down, you know. It is just the day is actually clicking. It's like the time is running, because right now it's evening, and tomorrow is near, guys. Tomorrow is actually not far. Big man, how's it? Tamam? You're preparing. What message do you have for the people who are actually preparing to come here?
Nothing much, but we are just ready for tomorrow. Now, I hope tomorrow everything will be okay.
Yeah.
Now we are just preparing for tomorrow.
Okay.
That is all.
Yeah, your name?
Enosalaki.
Enosalaki.
Amos, yeah.
Amos, oh, Amos.
Amos.
Amos, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, have a nice time. Yeah, that's Amos, guys. Just saying, wishing everyone a good day, like you to come over here and just enjoy the day, you know. You have to feel free, like right over here. And the one you're seeing right over here in the other side, that one is actually the water tank, which is actually distributing water into the areas right over here in Juba, South Sudan. Like this is the easiest means of distributing water, man. Wow. Wow, see this other side, and basically they're going to cover like all this other side with this green carpet. So we don't want to see actually we don't want to see soil, you know, here. You see, like my brothers right over here, they just are preparing this other side, man. It's gonna be an amazing day. And let's try to check out the other side. Kevia, Neron, Lilian Keji. Oh, it's a jazz leon tabukra. Aywa. 10 meses le nasal der ja bukra. Message mavi. Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, let's just try to tour around, man. And the carpets in this other side, they are still not raised up, so we're gonna have another huge screen right over here in this other side. Wow, you see. And basically, like if you are coming, you don't need to worry about water, you know. They have water in this other side. Hey, Kev.
Sí.
Nascobar. Come guys in Leon Tabokora. Huh? What's your name? Yunusevit. Okay. Wow. Serious, guys. Really gonna be great, man. Right, guys, and we are still in the Pojulu festival ground, guys, and I'm just here. We're gonna check out actually the traditional food, you know, that they're actually cooking, which they're going to be presenting in the ground, in the playing ground where actually the celebration is gonna take place. So guys, we are right over here, and this is exactly where the cooking is taking place. We're just having some quick tour over here, and this is actually one of the traditional paste right here. English kata? They are the sim. Basiri.
Manigo.
Sim manigo.
Aya.
Wow. So guys,
Basiri.
this is actually sim, and then kalau daerah konyo.
Daerah ko Bamia.
Kobamia. Oh, actually, guys, this paste over here they cook with okra, you know. Yeah, they just prepare with okra, and you can see how the hands is just squeezing. Yala kona tingina kubolonyo.
Nini na depena der jam guna gina kago anatulung. Ay.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, he's actually telling me that the reason why they are grinding it like this, so that when they are cooking, it comes like you know, in just shapes like this, strong like this. Yala. kulia. Kau ngak lo? Si kalam dari mana tu? Jawa ya gue parah.
Pasiri.
Oh,
Ibenge. Wani kure tekiri ada takalit.
Aywa.
Iki jago kenin. Ni kure nenin nenda.
Aywa.
Kula kinyo dikala katinda ka mo kana ole typhoid ole guruha. Ole malaria.
Oh. So guys, is actually saying this one right over here is healthy, you know? Like if you eat this one, nothing will actually touch you, even like no disease will actually affect you. And then white ants. Woo! Guys, look at man, these are white ants right over here. You see? Bawanga?
Eh.
I'm going to test actually. Mereka ada bawangnya?
Ngomong barabe. Bawanga. Alang tibelit. Kela ngokang tikere.
Yeah.
Angon tibelit.
Oh.
Ai.
So guys, I'm going to test this white ant right over here. See, I just pick one. Tamam. Very nice, guys. Wow. And the cooking is taking place right over here in the other side. And see, we have different meals in this other side. Wow. And then others are here. Yamakulo. Konyung. Pago. Oh, this one is pumpkin seed, guys. The one you're seeing, you see? This is actually grinded pumpkin seeds. Actually, I came late when everything is already set up, but you can see how it actually is. Huh? Kumunia. Oh, this is now the real meat. Where share? Oh, share here.
Now, I said, Bitala.
Oh.
And now, I mean, the Belu, Karasana put back Mulahat Finar, or Barcia Kida, let's put to share, or Barcia for two guitar and Nagura for Turasi.
Wow. Grandma is excited.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Oh, in the other side. Wow. So guys, we're gonna check out the traditional, you know, meats, like the bush meat, man.
Demula belet, ina de gali dugbo.
Dugbo.
Mula de gali gali dugbo.
Dugbo.
Badin bira kabu be keimot, na simsim o full, na manzeto bitala, uzede bisafa bikutu barao. Zaman kanaga kolo bikutu mulata dugbo de, yala zede bikubu frasto. De ya mulata.
Mari ya samiluzeta simsim de.
La magi samiluzeta simsim de keimot ali ina kabu mode, bitala min fogo zado. Bitala min fogo, yala badat, ye na jambe kutu ne kana bangna.
Ko arabila ta ba.
Na kana punna bangna.
Ko arabila.
Oh. Kulo dubo ko so na ko yonga tamam. Ake muna ko nyunguna fulina do meni.
Wow.
Adi dingo. Ko di dingo kitamam. Ayel na popo. Nuele ati ane kade isunga. Tema na kangina kunyeri nyei, angina ile umena ugo kini kio tena.
Wow.
Dobo ini kera ki ilo nang bade bako likenin.
Wow.
This is dubo.
This is dubo over here. And then
this one Lambelet. And then this one here, the dry meat from the village. From the village, yeah? This one is from the village.